Hey guys, welcome to Writing Masterclass. The aim of this masterclass is to teach each and every one of us how to properly construct and write our articles in a way that will rank well on Google search engine and also would impress the clients we'll be writing for moving forward. Alright, so this masterclass is actually going to be divided into three separate parts, three separate videos. And the first video, we're going to discuss SERP, that's a search engine results page optimization and keyword implementation. The second part will be implementing anchor text with their corresponding internal links. And the third video would be just general rules on writing, structuring articles in a way that is readable, relatable, and also, what's the word I'm looking for? And also effective in passing the message we're trying to pass across to our readers. Alright, so let's get straight to it. Alright, the first thing we're going to focus on is SERP optimization. So basically, we want to structure our articles in a way that would be optimized for the SERP. This is the first step we're going to do. So for example, now, I'm actually looking at a sheet from one of the clusters we've written, and the best thing to do, let me just go to an article that hasn't even written here. So let's just say best mobile Japanese game. So what I'll do is that I'll select this, and by the way, as I said before, SERP stands for search engine results page. So basically what you want to do first before you start writing your article is to do this. Paste the focus keyword in your browser. I'm using Chrome. I know some people like to use Edge, but I use Chrome. Put it in your search engine and look at the first three results, not the ones that add to. Okay, let's say if I do best mobile games. Let me see best. So what we'll do is that we'll go and look at the first three results. Look at the best mobile games 2024, 20 addictive mobile games you should download now, the best mobile games to play now. One thing you should have noticed is that best mobile games, the keyword, is always appearing. You understand? Because that's what you understand. And the thing is that if you optimize your article in a way that this focus keyword appears, in a way that makes sense in the article, there's a higher chance that the article, because the main aim of us writing these articles is to ensure that our client's web page ranks as high as possible in the Google search engine. You understand? So this is the first step. So why are we doing this? Let's just open the first one and see why it was ranked number one. You understand? One thing I would advise you guys to do here is that you should use the Ctrl F command and type in the focus keyword to see where they put it and how many times they put the focus keyword in the article, so that you can also replicate that. So let's do best mobile games. Best mobile game. So they used it 5 times in the article. So they put it in the H1. I don't know why the title, this is a HTML error from them. This is not supposed to be, I cannot see the title fully, but it's from their website, not us. So they put it in their H1, that is their title. They also put it in their meta description. A list full of the best mobile games to play on your iOS. They also put it in the first paragraph on. It's even good if you can even put it in the first sentence of your paragraph, but if you can't put it in the first sentence of your paragraph, at least make sure the focus keyword is in the first paragraph. Okay, so, and they put it in the first paragraph and they just scattered it all over the body of the article, and so they put it in 5 times. You understand? Okay, 5 times, and so that means they've hit their quota. So I'm guessing that this article would be, let me try and copy this. Let me see how many words this article is. This article should be around.
A few moments later.
Copy. So let's copy this. Alright, I'm going to put it in Google, in a Google Doc, just to check how many words the article is. Let's go to Ctrl Shift C. But this article is 2,400 words. Guys, don't you understand? But basically, a minimum of 4 times, you understand? 3 to 4. 3 times if your article is around 300, 500 words. 4 times if your article is like 600 to 800, 1000 up, you understand? So basically, you just want to ensure that your focus keyword is implemented well. All right. I'm going to have to mute myself for do not disturb right now. And yeah, that's basically it. For SERP optimization, you understand, and keyword implementation. So basically for SERP, I'm just going to go over it. For SERP optimization, what you want to do, oh, I forgot one more thing, guys. When you're creating your title, go to this Google SERP snippet optimization tool. This is where you go to check if your title and your meta description is good enough to display well on the search results page. So if your title is too long or too short, this tool will let you know. So now, for example, let's say we're doing best mobile games. Now I can now say best mobile games you can play in 2024. So you see, my title is in the limit, you understand, 372 pixels, you understand, or 372 characters. I like to use what characters, you understand. It's in the right, it's the right amount of words for my title. So this is how my title will display, you understand. So if I'm just imagine if I'm scrolling on my results page, I'm searching for best mobile games to play, and I see this thing looks like something I'll be able to click on. So now for my meta description now, discover the let me see best mobile games, fun titles to play in 2024. All right, guys, so you see my meta description, it looks legit, you understand. Obviously it could be more descriptive than this, and sometimes you will need to put symbols. Right now I would love to, I don't have the document open, but probably in the documents that we will be giving to you, see the symbols that you're supposed to insert. Let me see if I can find a symbol here. Let me see if I can find any of those symbols here. Nah, let me see if I can find this. Okay, something like this. So you can put these things here. Best mobile games, I could just put this one here. Best mobile games, fun titles to play in 2024. And one thing you will notice is that this best mobile games focus keyword has appeared in my title, has appeared in my meta description. It will also be in the body of the text. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open an article that we've written before. So let's say best anime mobile games. I'm going to open this one. Best anime mobile games. So what I'm going to do, best anime mobile games. Best anime mobile games. This article is around 800 words. So basically, I feel like right now it should be at least a minimum of 4. So, but one thing we know for sure that best anime mobile games is in the title, good. Best anime mobile games is in the first paragraph, which is good. Best anime mobile games has to put somewhere in the body of the text, which is good. And one thing you could also do here is try and implement it in your subheadings. Guys, don't forget the subheadings, very important. So what we could do to optimize this better is that where can I get the best mobile anime games? You understand? Best where can I get the best anime mobile games? Okay, so we've been able to implement this in our subheading. You understand? By the way, guys, don't make sure it's not forced, because like if I'm reading through this, this is here, this sounds a bit redundant. So basically what I could do is that maybe I could just add another paragraph here, then move over to, let's say I put something, because of time I'm not going to write it out, but let's say I just put another another maybe subheading or something, talk about something else, then I now find a way to implement the keyword here. So that's basically it on implementing your focus keyword. So guys, a minimum of 3 to 4 times, basically just put 4 times. 4 times is the safest bet, but for longer articles sometimes it could be 6 times, 7 times. But that's all you need to know about implementing your focus keywords and also optimizing. See, the point of searching for putting your focus keyword in the results page to see how other sites implemented their focus keywords, so that you will see, okay, this is how this guy structured the article. All right, I'm going to structure my article similar to this, but change a few things. You understand? The reason for doing this so that the page will have a chance of ranking higher in the search results page. That is the purpose of SERP research. That's search engine results page research. And guys, don't limit it to only one page. I could also go to this one, open it. Let me see what Radio Times did. Best mobile, they put it in their title. They put it in underneath their next subheading, you understand, and they put it somewhere in the body, somewhere down in the body, in the middle of their text. So guys, that's just the trick to it, guys. You want it to be natural as possible, and doing this research gives you a chance of constructing articles in a way that makes sense actually, and so that you will not just start writing, and once you've written, you submit, I tell you to change things. No, just do the research first. Like, okay, oh, this is how Radio Times did their own. This is how Pocket Tactics did their own. This is how The Verge did their own. This is how GameStop did their own. This is how IGN did their own. All right, let us do our own this way, but still a bit similar to how these guys did their own, and you'll have no problems moving forward. So that's the end of this video. For the next 2 classes, which are properly implementing internal links, properly implementing anchor text with the corresponding internal links and article structure and everything, that will be in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, you can ask. I think we'll be uploading this to YouTube, so ask in the comments or send me a message, or you can send Emmanuel a message. We'll guide you through the ins and outs of this. Very, very simple stuff. Wishing you guys luck, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.